Parineeti Chopra has finally confirmed the joyous news that fans had been speculating about for days. The actress took to social media to share that she and her husband, Raghav Chadha, are expecting their first child. Parineeti posted a heartfelt message alongside a sweet photo that revealed the exciting news. She wrote, "Our little universe on its way, blessed beyond measure." In the post, Parineeti shared an image with a beautiful caption, which was met with an outpouring of love from fans and the couple's well-wishers. Adding a playful touch to the announcement, she also posted a picture where 1 + 1 = 3 was written, subtly hinting at their growing family. This sweet and simple message made it official: Parineeti and Raghav are soon to become parents. In addition to the heartfelt message, Parineeti also shared a video where she and Raghav can be seen taking a peaceful stroll hand in hand. The couple looked more in love than ever as they walked together, enjoying the moment of happiness. The news of Parineeti Chopra's pregnancy had been circulating on social media for several days, with fans speculating about her baby bump. Recently, Raghav Chadha had dropped a hint about Pari's pregnancy during his appearance on the Kapil Sharma show. Parineeti and Raghav's pregnancy announcement has left fans thrilled, and their social media posts have been flooded with congratulatory messages from their followers, friends, and colleagues in the industry. With her sweet announcement, Parineeti has once again shown how her personal life is always filled with warmth and joy, and fans can't wait for the arrival of the couple's little one. Bollywood superstars Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif have just dropped a brand new ad collaboration, and fans were absolutely buzzing about it. But while the ad was meant to showcase some luxury and glamour, there's one thing that's stealing the spotlight, and it's not the watch. The two stars teamed up for a luxury watch brand and shared the video on their official Instagram handles. They captioned the post with, "The perfect moment isn't something we wait for, it's something we live. Looks pretty perfect, right? Well, not exactly." Fans quickly noticed something a bit off. In the final shot, Hrithik and Katrina are supposed to be in the same frame, looking eye to eye, standing right in front of each other. But eagle-eyed fans pointed out that the video looks like it was shot separately. Yeah, it's clear that the two weren't actually together in that frame. And as expected, the comment section went wild. Fans couldn't help but spam the post with their thoughts, saying things like, "Clearly the video is shot separately and bad editing. Is Katrina blind in this ad?" And one fan said, "I was so excited until I noticed something was really wrong." Well, I'm happy to see them in one frame again, even though they weren't actually together. Now, even though the ad didn't quite land the way they hoped, Hrithik Roshan is still making waves in another area. His latest movie, War 2, has been smashing box office records. By day 10 of its release, the film has already earned nearly 226 crore rupees. Co-starring Junior NTR and Kiara Advani, War 2 is facing some tough competition from Rajinikanth's Coolie, which has already crossed 250 crore rupees at the box office. While the ad may have had its fair share of editing blunders, Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif continue to shine in their respective careers. Fans are still eager to see them together, even if only on screen, for now. And hey, at least we can look forward to more moments from these two, hopefully with a little better editing next time. Suhana Khan and Agastya Nanda, rumors of their relationship have been circulating for a while now. But did Navya Naveli Nanda approve of their bond? Well, we might have just gotten a hint. The buzz around Suhana Khan and Agastya Nanda's relationship has been growing ever since they met on the sets of The Archies. Though Suhana has never confirmed anything, their constant outings together have left fans wondering if there's more than just friendship between the two. Recently, Suhana Khan was spotted partying with her best friend Navya and her rumored boyfriend, Agastya Nanda. The trio was seen stepping out together, and the moment quickly became the talk of social media. In a video that's going viral, Suhana and Navya are all smiles as they sit in the backseat of a car with another friend. Suhana looked stunning in a stylish outfit, while Navya turned heads in a chic black ensemble. The two BFFs were clearly enjoying their time, and fans couldn't help but wonder, what's the real deal between Suhana and Agastya? Meanwhile, Suhana is gearing up for her upcoming action-packed movie King. She'll share the screen with none other than her father, Shah Rukh Khan. This star-studded film also features Deepika Padukone, Abhishek Bachchan, and a whole ensemble cast. Suhana's role in King is being highly anticipated, as her father plays a gangster in this high-budget thriller, marking a very raw and rugged avatar for SRK. As for Agastya, he's all set to star in Ikkis, a film based on the life of Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, India's youngest Param Veer Chakra awardee. Set against the backdrop of the 1971 Indo-Pak conflict, it's sure to be an intense, gripping story. While Suhana and Agastya continue to keep fans guessing about their relationship, one thing's for sure, their careers are on a fast track to success. Whether together or just friends, we are excited to see what's next for these rising stars. Aneet Pad just made our day a whole lot sweeter with what fans are calling the sweetest surprise ever. The actress recently shared a heartwarming video featuring her father, Navdeep Padda, where the two performed a touching rendition of the beloved Sayara title track. The father-daughter duo struck the right emotional chords, creating a moment that quickly went viral on social media. In the video, Aneet is seen dressed in a cool blue outfit, confidently strumming her guitar and singing. Her father sits behind her on a sofa, gently joining in, adding warmth and sincerity to the performance. Captioning the video, Aneet wrote, "The singing may be rusty but the song is not. And honestly, fans loved every second of it. The comments section was flooded with admiration. Finally, she posted it. So good. Love her voice. Every time I see you, the world pauses just long enough for me to remember I'm supposed to be breathing. So good. Whenever she was humming, it felt so unreal. In love with your voice, the video quickly gained traction, melting hearts across platforms and showcasing the undeniable bond between Aneet and her father. The song they performed, Sayara, holds a special place in Bollywood fans' hearts. It originally featured in a film that created history at the domestic box office. The movie not only introduced Ahan Pandey to audiences but was also directed by renowned filmmaker Mohit Suri. Speaking about the film's success in an interview with Zoom, Mohit Suri said, "I try to take this time off and I sit, just waiting for phone calls to come. The collections are more than welcome and I'm very happy about it." He added, "I'm very thankful, but after a very long time, I've had filmmakers, actors, common people, family, relatives, people from all walks of life, not just one type like only the youth or only the mature audience, call me up, genuinely happy with the film. Whether it's on screen or off, Sayara continues to touch hearts. And Aneet Pad just gave us one more reason to fall in love with it all over again." The opening night of Bigg Boss 19 was always expected to be full of excitement, but no one could have predicted that Salman Khan would drop one of his most personal revelations right on stage. The reality show returned with a star-studded premiere on Sunday, and as always, Salman Khan hosted the event with his signature blend of humor, warmth, and just the right amount of mischief. However, amidst the laughter and excitement, there was one moment that caught everyone off guard and left the audience speechless. Among the new faces stepping into the spotlight was Tanya Mittal, a social media influencer, entrepreneur, and motivational speaker. And did we mention, she's also the winner of the Miss Asia 2018 crown? The conversation between Tanya and Salman started off lightheartedly, but things soon took a personal turn when Tanya shared her favorite movie, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Tanya then asked Salman a thought-provoking question. क्या सच्चा प्यार हमेशा अधूरा रह जाता है? Salman, pausing for a moment, responded with a bombshell of an answer that stunned both Tanya and the audience. He said, "मुझे सच्चा प्यार हुआ ही नहीं है अब तक." The revelation left everyone shocked, yet laughing, as Salman joked about his personal life, offering a rare and candid glimpse into his emotions. Salman's love life has always been a topic of fascination for both fans and the media. From his early romance with actress Sangeeta Bijlani to his high-profile relationships with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Katrina Kaif, Salman's love life has consistently made headlines. His long-standing bond with Katrina Kaif even had fans believing that marriage was on the horizon, though it never came to pass. Earlier this year, on his nephew Arhan Khan's podcast Dum Biryani, Salman opened up about relationships and resilience. He offered this candid advice: even if your girlfriend has broken up with you, let her go. Bye-bye. When you have to rip out a band-aid, how do you do it? Slowly? No, rapidly. Salman also emphasized the importance of acknowledging one's mistakes. He said, "Always apologize when you have made a mistake. Thank you and sorry should come out spontaneously." Despite his high-profile relationships and numerous public appearances, Salman Khan, at 59, remains one of Bollywood's most talked-about bachelors. His status as an eligible bachelor has become as iconic as his blockbuster films. As fans continue to speculate about his love life, it seems that we are all still waiting to see if true love will ever find its way into Salman's heart. Until then, his charm and wit continue to steal the show.